Hey everyone out there, welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And I have some incredible news for all of our viewers, the industry alike, and more importantly, my family here at Solar Wolf Energy. As of October 15th, 2020, I am no longer the CEO of Solar Wolf Energy. It has been my pleasure and an honor to work with everyone here at Solar Wolf Energy, both all the folks that are still with us here and the folks that have come and gone throughout the years. It has been one amazing journey, one ride that I will absolutely never forget, nor will my family. Incredibly grateful through the whole process, all the good and the bad, the ups and downs, and I just wanted to say thank you to all of you if I have been lucky enough and fortunate enough to be if you've been a customer of ours, I'm honored. Thank you. If you're a client, if you work here, I've had the honor and the privilege, and I just feel grateful for working alongside of you. As I've said to everyone here, if you work here at Solar Wolf Energy, you know nobody here works for me. I've worked for all of them, and I've loved working with you and for you for the last 5 years. I want to say thank you to all the fans, viewers, everyone that's followed along, wherever you are. Just know that I'm going to stay on board as the chairman. I do have a very large interest in the company financially, so my eyes are obviously going to be focused on making sure I can do things on the support side from the outside. It's important to me that this keeps going and growing, and in my place, I can't think of a better person to step up to the role than my vice president and my partner in crime, my right hand, almost my day one, Taylor Bennett. She's been just absolutely incredible. She's been a student for the last 5 years, just watching everything that the industry has done, everything that I've done, and I have no doubt she's going to take everything that we've done together and just excel and take it even higher. And I say that with the utmost respect, pride, and hope in love. I think she's going to crush it. I don't think there's anyone in the solar industry that's more adept at taking on the role than her. She's incredible. With that, where am I going, you ask? And if you haven't, you're probably asking yourself now. I stepped down so that I could begin the same process in which we did this. I stepped down to start a plumbing company. So we're going to take a lot of the innovations, systems, and processes that we've learned here over the years with the team, whether it be the media channels and everything else. We're going to take that, we're going to apply that to the plumbing industry. And I'm very excited to announce that the plumbing industry, for those of you who don't know, has been pretty much on the same track since the late 80s. It requires a huge awakening, and I feel like I'm the person to do that. And I'm going to do it with respect to the existing players in this space. I'm going to rattle a few cages, no question. But I definitely want to update the plumbing industry and bringing it into the 2020s, and I feel like I'm the guy for that. So with all due respect to everyone that I've had the pleasure to work for and with, I thank you for my time, my journey, my experience, my learning curve, and all of the success here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from a lot of you. And I'm still going to be doing the channel here with everyone, and I want to say thank you. I'm just super grateful. I really am. So thank you for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV from me. Thanks.